Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Cat Life. I'm Adil,
I'm Dana.
and this is
New Year!
and we're here at
Iron Horse Hotel!
That's right, folks. This here is the Iron Horse Hotel in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Now we're going to show you guys the room we're staying at. It's the premium loft, double queen, and also the amenities and on-site dining that this place has to offer. So let's go ahead and get started and show you guys Iron Horse Hotel. As you enter, you are greeted with a very spacious lobby with plenty of seating all throughout. A lot of attention to detail all around. They even have a Harley Davidson in the lobby. Elevators can be accessed from the lobby to your room. We stayed on the 6th floor, the highest floor at this hotel. Welcome to our room, room 619, the premium loft double queen. As you enter, you have a full bathroom with all amenities as needed, including a rather large shower. Exiting out of the room leads you to the double queen room. In front of the beds is a TV, a dresser with multiple drawers. Here you'll also find a mini fridge that is stocked with a variety of beverages available for purchase. Next to it is your in-room safe. On top, you'll find your coffee maker and more snacks that you can buy. On the corner is a work desk and finally a small lounge area with 2 chairs. And just for fun, the view outside our room. This concludes the room tour. Let's see what else this place has to offer. Heading back into the lobby is a pool table that is free to use. Connected is also a lobby bar. And at the main floor, you'll also find the hotel's restaurant, Ash, Hearth, and Bar. We visited this restaurant for dinner. They served up food on an open flame in an open kitchen. Other on-site amenities include wellness and fitness. A 24-hour fitness center with a variety of different equipment ranging from cardio to weights. Up front, the hotel offers valet parking. Or you can self-park in the garage right next door. Well, there you folks have it, the Iron Horse Hotel in Milwaukee. If you guys have any questions about this place, ask these two down below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, guys.